Alright, now I would like to go with the project details. Alright, so project is comparatively simpler if you just want to do it in a very straight manner, but there are many deviations possible, and I expect you to work on the deviations. Alright, so the problem statement is very standard statement. It's called the sentiment analysis. The objective of the exercise is to do the sentiment analysis based on the Twitter data, which you can download from Twitter. Okay, so the step which we are going to talk down is basically the primitive strategy for sentiment analysis for a movie called Iron Man using Hive. It is up to you whether you choose exactly same steps or you use different strategy altogether. Okay, there are various deviations possible. For example, you could use pig instead of hive. You could use completely different algorithm to compute the sentiment. Right now, what we're going to do is, in this exercise is, we are going to compare each word against a dictionary. And that dictionary tells whether a particular word is negative, positive, and so on. Okay, so we are going to compare each word against the dictionary and find out each word's worth, and then form the opinion about a tweet, whether it's a negative or the positive. All right, there are many more deviations that are possible. Okay, so first of all, you log in into Hue at this board. Okay, does it work? Okay, now once you have logged in into Hue, you log in into your own account. Password error, let me copy paste again. Okay, so once you have logged in, you go to this particular file where all the data is located. Okay, and then follow the example query. We have provided you a sample query. You are encouraged to create a new kind of query instead of just following it. Okay, the general idea would be you first follow whatever is told here and then you plan for deviation. Okay, so you create your own database, make a copy of data to your home folder, and then follow the query located at this place. Okay, so you run these commands after logging into the server, copy this into local folder, and then also copy the sentiment file into your home folder, and then you start running these commands. Okay, first of all, you set the hive sql1 result keyword as false, and then before that, before running hive, you run the inside the hive command itself. First, run the command called hive and then execute this, then this, and create the table like this. Okay, what's happening is in this table, it first loads the data from the input folder. So you can see tweets raw is nothing but the data at this location. Okay, so we first loaded all the tweets using the JSON survey which we have supplied above, and then you load the dictionary, and then you load the time zone, and then next thing you do is you combine the tables. You join the two tables, okay, and you'll get the result. I'll show you this. So we are joining first with the time zone map. Before that, all right, here, okay, yes. So first of all, you create these basic tables, and then, okay, then we have simplified it here, okay, and then you can, okay, then you can clean the data cleaning the data. So you can see that all of these are views, okay, all of these are views. So after we have combined the time zone with the tweets, then we start breaking the tweet into words. Here we are exploding the sentences into words, and once we have done breaking that, then we join that with the dictionary. Okay, you can see that we are joining here with the dictionary, whether a particular word is negative or positive. You can look at the dictionary, locate it in the same folder, okay, and so on. Okay, once you have joined with the dictionary, you can form the opinion about the whole tweet by summing up the polarity of individual words. Okay, and once you have summed up the polarity of individual tweet, then you can represent it using the UI. So you follow this documentation clearly. If you get stuck, let us know. It should be very straightforward process for you. All right. So that's pretty much about the project. All right. So just go through the project step by, and first you try to do whatever it is, and once you submit your report, as in these are the things you have done, along with your Excel sheet. If you're using Tableau, please share the Tableau report. And if you're using the Excel sheet, it's also good enough. Please share the Excel sheet along with the screenshots. Okay? All right. So that was pretty much with respect to the course. If you have any query, feel free to stay connected with us, and we would be more than happy to stay connected. So also you can send me a LinkedIn request so that we would stay connected.